Hey everyone, welcome back to WP Expo. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can add a flash sale banner with a timer in WordPress. Like this. Seems good? Let's do it. As WordPress doesn't have this feature by default, we'll use WowOptin. Simply go to the Plugins section from your WordPress dashboard. Then Add Plugin. In the search bar, search for WowOptin. Now install and activate the plugin. Alright, the plugin is now activated. Let's head over to the template section. There are a bunch of pre-made templates to create banners, pop-ups, floating bars, and inline forms. You can also start from scratch if you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll be using a template. A nice thing to know is WowOptin adds new templates almost every week, so you'll always have fresh options to choose from. First, select Banner. Let's preview the one. It looks okay. Alright, now we are on the WowOptin's builder. On the first tab to the left, you'll find Elements. Each element comes with ready-to-use designs, and you can simply drag and drop them directly onto your canvas. This is a true Canva-like drag-and-drop experience. Alright, let's tweak the banner. First up, I need this big sale text. Just drag and drop it anywhere on the canvas. Easy, right? Then, click on the element to resize it and move it wherever you want. Now, here's a cool one. Right-click any element, and you'll see a bunch of handy options. You can copy, delete, bring it to the front, send it to the back, group or ungroup elements, and even fine-tune the alignment. Plus, you can hide elements from specific devices if needed. Alright, let's change up this image. First, open the Elements tab. I'm looking for a perfect wow face. I think this one's great. Just drag your new image and drop it right over the old one. Watch how it automatically fits into place like magic. Of course, you can always adjust the size and position manually. I want to offer a 30% discount. First, right-click and select Ungroup the elements. Now you can change the text, play with colors, and add a clickable link. You can even make the text carve for extra style. Once you're happy with how it looks, just select everything and group it back together. Now let's make our countdown timer perfect. Click that pencil icon, and you'll have two choices here. For a one-time sale, choose Static. Just pick your time zone and set the end date. Easy! But if you want a timer for your ongoing promotions, select Evergreen. Put your values and turn and repeat after finished. This way, when the timer hits 0, it automatically resets itself. Additionally, you can customize the labels, give color to any part of the countdown timer, and adjust the spacing. You can also change the countdown design with a pre-made style. Now, let's make the CTA button clickable. Click Edit, select Open Link or Download File as the button's action, and paste in your link. Finally, you can customize this background by clicking on any empty area, and you'll have all the customization options. You can adjust the height of the banner, choose between gradients, images, or even video backgrounds, add borders or shadows, stick your banner at the top or bottom of the page, add a close button to the banner, and my favorite, set a sound effect. Let's make sure the banner shows up everywhere on your site. Just go to the Display Rules tab and select Entire Site. Now head over to the Trigger tab. Since this is a flash sale banner, I'll stick with the default settings because I want this banner to pop up right away. No delays. Next up, Audience Settings. The default settings will display the banner to everyone. But if you want to target specific visitors, like new visitors or visitors from specific devices, you can customize that here. Now, you can modify the interval section to make sure you're not annoying your visitors. You can choose to hide the banner after someone closes it, clicks the CTA button, sees it at a certain number of times. If you want, you can schedule your banner. Set a time frame by picking your time zone, start and end date. Or you can set recurring days and times. To do this, first choose between everyday or weekdays, and then add single or multiple time slots. WowOptin even lets you preview your banner before going live. Click Preview. Yeah, the banner looks perfect. Hit Publish. Your professional-looking and urgency-evoking flash sale banner is ready. If you have any questions, comment below. Also, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.